Hi you guys, I'm Sugandha and welcome back to Sublime Life YouTube channel. Are you someone who's looking to simplify your life with a simple yet effective skincare routine? Are you someone who's tired of trying too many products? So look no further. Introducing Put Simply, which is a new skincare brand formulated in South Korea, which helps to minimize the hassle of 10 steps in your routine, which is very effective and very simple. Using too many products and active can actually irritate and sensitize your skin, that can actually damage your skin's barrier. So here's Put Simply, which is actually skin barrier friendly. So without further ado, let's get started. First product we have is the Eat Your Green cleanser. We all have heard from our mothers how good its greens. So let's give it a try. This cleanser is a deep cleanser which does not strip the natural oil from the skin. It does not give that tight and itchy feeling after you wash it off. It only gives a clear and healthy skin behind. Now this cleanser is a very gentle cleanser and this can be suitable for all skin type. This cleanser has a bunch of antioxidants like Centella asiatica. This also has mugwort extract. This has green tea in it. It also has an antibacterial ingredient called neem, which is great to soothe and calm down the skin. It also helps to control sebum production and retains moisture in the skin. This is a very gentle cleanser that can be suitable for all skin type. Oily, normal, and acne-prone skin can use it twice a day. And if you're someone from dry skin, you can use it once a day in the evening. And this gel-based cleanser is a very hydrating cleanser which does not strip the natural oil from your skin and leaves a very fresh and hydrated skin behind. Next product we have is the Put Simply Water Damp Moisturizer. So say goodbye to those heavy sticky moisturizer. This gel-based moisturizer is a very hydrating formulation without making the skin feel greasy or heavy. This moisturizer replenishes moisture into the skin because it has 25% of seeker water, and even for someone who has extremely exfoliated skin, your skin is going to thank you because this moisturizer is so soothing and hydrating. This moisturizer is also great for someone who has damaged skin barrier because this contains panthenol, shea butter, niacinamide. This also is a very soothing and hydrating formulation which is so calming on the skin. This can be used twice a day. For someone who has normal skin, you can use it once or twice a day. For someone who has oily skin, you can use it once a day. And for someone who has dry skin like me, you can use it twice a day. And this moisturizer is something that you need in your life. This is so hydrating, soothing, calming, and everything that you're looking from your moisturizer. So definitely give this a try. And the last product we have is the Beat the Sun sunscreen. And we all know how important sunscreen is. Remember, no matter what you're using, it's all will be useless if you don't use a good sunscreen with you. Sunscreen is your BFF because it can reverse the sun damage. This sunscreen is a lightweight sunscreen which does not leave any white cast on the skin. This has SPF 50 plus and PA++++. The sunscreen has filters like Tinosorb M. This also has UNLT 150 and UNL A+, and all these filters are high protection filters which gives your skin protection from UVA and UVB both. And other than these filters, this also contains niacinamide and Centella asiatica, which is so soothing and calming for the skin. And this is a broad spectrum sunscreen. Now this sunscreen can be used by all skin type because this has a very lightweight texture which does not feel heavy or you won't look like ghost. And this sunscreen is sensitive skincare friendly because this has all the non-comedogenic ingredients which won't clog your pores, and this can be suitable for all skin type. So no matter what the weather is, no matter what your skin type is, and no matter where you're living, don't forget to use a good SPF like this. So we hope you find this video to be helpful, and always remember that you don't need an extensive routine. Just be consistent and use a very effective and skin barrier friendly ingredients that helps your skin. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, do let us know in the comments below. And until next time, bye.